Hi guys, I've got another unboxing for you today actually, and it's a Feelunique pick and mix, and I'm not going to lie, I fell completely on my feet with this selection. I actually made this selection at the end of August, hence it's August, but I didn't get it till beginning of September. Some of these products are still on the selection. I checked yesterday, they're still on. Some of them aren't, but there are some other products from the same brand that are a pretty decent size, if you know what I mean. So I'll show you what I've got, and and you obviously immediately are going to see why I fell on my feet. It just pays with pick and mix to keep an eye out, keep checking, check the sizes, check what you're getting, and sometimes you really will fall on your feet, and I did. Now I got Kingsley original Elasticizer, and that is a 40ml size. Now these sizes are worth about £9, I think. I'll put look up the price, but I think it's about £9 for this size. So it's the original Kingsley Elasticizer 40ml size, and I also managed to get the new Pomegranate and Cassis Elasticizer as well. Yeah, £3.95 is the pick and mix price, and both of these are worth about £9 each. So that, you know, that says itself. And the £3.95 is redeemable against any purchase from Feelunique. So yeah, I think I did good there. They didn't have these on, unsurprisingly, last time I looked. But they did have some of the Kingsley shampoos and things that are probably equally good value for money, because they were tubes as well. So by all means, keep a lookout. But as I say, I was really lucky to get these. I love Elasticizer anyway. I've actually got one ongoing at the minute. This is elderflower and rhubarb that I'm using at the moment. And I've also got... I've got two on the go at once here, and I've got a geranium and neroli on the go as well. So I love this stuff, really good. Definitely made a difference to my hair. I want to do it about once a week now, but I really think it has made a difference, and I'm chuffed to have got those two tubes. So there's 2 of my 5 products. So if you don't know the premise, basically you choose 5, is it 5? Yes it is. It's 5 products from a huge list of samples. You pay £3.95, and that delivers them to your house, and the £3.95 is redeemable against any purchase on site. So it's well worth doing, especially when you get good value products. Next up, what did we get? Right, this is definitely still on. Urban Decay. I've never tried a foundation by Urban Decay. I've got some Naked Skin samples that I'm still yet to lose, and I got this just to try this. Now, as I say, you get with this one, it's for the All Nighter Liquid Foundation. I'm always looking to need foundations that last, because my skin's quite greasy, pumps out grease at the rate of knots, so I'm always looking for foundation that lasts. And with this, I got 6 samples, which are the most requested and most popular shades: 2, 3.5, 4, 6, 7 and 9. I'm probably going to be more of a 2 than anything else, but it's worth trying it. If you get the wrong colour, then at least you can try it in the house and you know. Actually, looking at this, I'm probably more of a 1.5, but never mind. You get 0.01 grams of product to try. So that's easy enough to do a face with, and then see if you like it. If not, that's fine. And if not, mix the other colours up, mix them together, see what suits you. But this is a good way to try it, and see if you like the formulation before shelling out. So this is what they are. So that was that. I think that's still online. No, that was last time I looked. And so was this. This is a good one actually. So if you could get your hands on this one, this is probably a good one to get. It's another Urban Decay, and it is the Urban Decay Hi-Fi Shine Ultra Cushion Lip Gloss. Now you get a 1ml tube. How does this open? Alright, do I push? Can I push? Can I push? Yes, I can push. And this is in the colour Naked. And that is a decent sized tube. It says 1ml, but that's actually a pretty good size for 1ml. I don't know how well you can see that. That's the colour. I'll swatch it for you so you can see. So you get a little tube and you get a little wand. That's pretty, that's really nice. Just like a sort of nudie pink gloss. Smells of mint, very nice, so it'll be a bit plumping. But I thought that was good. I thought that was a decent size. So that one's definitely still on last time I looked, so you can probably get your hands on that one still. And think you can still get your hands on this one as well. Final thing that I got was some more lip samples, and it is the Givenchy Le Rouge Liquide, and it is Le Rouge Liquide Couture Twist for soft matte lips. Now you get the 3 most popular shades, which are 202 Rose Flanelle, 309 Le Interdit, which is the red, and 410, which is Rouge Suedine, which is sort of a berry burgundy. So that's what you get. You get the 3 colours, and you get a little sponge to put them on with. Again, a 3 times 0.2 ml size. So good go. You can easily get them used a couple of times. But still on, worth it, definitely worth it. They're brilliant for your handbag, brilliant for travel, and of course they're brilliant for giving you a chance to try a product that you wouldn't already try. As I say, I think the Elasticizer is long gone, so unfortunately that's gone. That was too good to be true. That honestly was too good to be true. I think they probably should have meant to have given smaller tubes away, but never mind, I was lucky and I got those. But they are Philip Kingsley. There's all sorts of different brands at the moment. I saw some Estee Lauder and things on at the minute. I think there's still some Benefit on, Urban Decay, Laura Mercier, things like that are still on. So by all means, go and have a look. I'll link below, and you just look up Pick and Mix. It is an affiliate link, so but I will state that below anyway. So have a look, see what you think. And as I say, the idea of it is a really good one. It's redeemable against anything else, and it gives you a good opportunity to try. They also do a try before you buy with certain foundations, actually Feelunique as well. And so what you can do, you buy a foundation or you buy a product, and they'll actually send you a mini one to try first, just to make sure you actually like it or it's the right shade, which I think is a brilliant idea. And I think more people should do more sampling online as well, because I think it would encourage more people to buy, especially in the UK when we have such iffy laws about returning makeup and so on. So that was my selection. Let me know if you've got anything good from the Feelunique Pick and Mix recently. As I say, you're only allowed 1 selection a month, and I won't be allowed anything else till the end of September. But even then, I'll see what there is, and if there's nothing I want, then I won't get anything. But as I say, some of those were too good to be true. So let me know your thoughts. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to check out my other social media links, which you'll find below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.